Okay, Mommy just left, so I've got someone in a drunken milk stupor. Oh, it's Red Girl. Waking up from a drunken milk stupor. There's Blue. Oh, I know, baby. I know, baby girl. Hey? There's Purple. Purple's band fell off her head. I woke up this morning and it was on the ground, so someone ripped it off of her, or she ripped it off. Oh, we're having a big poo-poo over there. Someone's trying to make a poo-poo. Hey. Hello, my kids. Hello, my kids. Lovely little babies. Lovely little babies. Trying to make a poo-poo. That's poor boy. Boy. Oh, is that a big yawn for you? Stinker? That's Greenie. Oh, here's Blue. She's been trying to get out for a while now. Hey. Bluey. And that's Purple and Jinxie. Purple and Jinxie. Purple's the first one to do everything, I tell ya. Is that right? Is that right? Is that right? Hey. That's Greenie right there. Hello, Greenie. See, she's caught up, I think, eh? I haven't weighed them, but... Hello, kids. Hello, kids. Hello, kids. Hey, oh my gosh, I got Bluey, Purple. There's Bull Boy trying to make a poo-poo back there. Oh, good poo-poo. He made a good poo-poo. Hey. Purple. Blue. Purple.